Welcome to the Songwriter's Journey. In this video, we will learn how to record your musician at home. This recording will be shared with the community so that other musicians at Brooklyn Music Factory can collaborate together. What you will need to complete the recording: the musician and their instrument, 2 devices, one to record the performance, the other to listen and watch the Songwriter's Journey video jam track. The Songwriter's Journey video jam track. This is what the musician will play along to. Be sure to select the song which the musician has been assigned to. Headphones for the musician. The recording device should only pick up the music from the performance, not the video jam track. The student-specific upload link to share the musician's video. Each student has a specific link. Don't have it? Contact your teacher. Step 1. Get settled in. Make sure the musician is comfortable. Step 2. From the listening device, cue up the Songwriter's Journey video jam track and plug in the headphones. The musician will press play when you're ready to record. Step 3. Get ready to record. Frame the musician in the center. The recording device is in landscape, and make sure you can see all the action. Step 4. Press record. Then have the musician press play on the Songwriter's Journey video jam track. Step 5. Enjoy. Your musician has it from here. Be sure to give the ending at least 5 seconds of silence. Step 6. Upload the video with the student-specific link from your teacher and let the magic happen. Thanks for recording your part. We can't wait to check out all the amazing performances at the gig.